Want to learn how to play a reckless 7th chord that gets results? All right, so here's how the chord works. So you know how you play your regular 7th chords already. This is in the key of C major. It's got that C major triad plus the flat 7th. But that sounds fine, but doesn't this sound cooler? So let's look at what I'm doing here. I got in my left hand, I'm just playing the root. I'm just playing straight up C. But in my right hand, I'm playing the 3rd. So I'm playing E, and I'm playing the flat 7. So that's B flat, and then I'm also playing the sharp 9. So that is D sharp. So this is a really cool chord because it's got sort of the major 3rd sound down below and the minor 3rd up top, which gives it that dissonant, funky flair. So that was the mega 7th chord, the perfect chord for all your funky jams.